Good morning!
Good morning! So, ito ang ating view ngayong umaga. Dahil maaga tayong maggumising dahil
Okay, maaga gawin. Nakaapat na alarm.
simula alas 4 ata yun. Ayan ang ating view dito. Kagabi lang, pinakita natin kagabi. Maganda din. Pasok na tayo sa restaurant para may space, guys.
Ano oras na ba? Good morning!
Ay, dito na kami kakain ng breakfast. We bring breakfast. Breakfast. Ito ang mga itsura ng mga
Busog.
busog. Girago.
Yung pinakabusog. Picture mo yung pinakabusog.
I-focus natin.
Yung pinakabusog. Paano yung smell ng pinakabusog?
Ayun na.
Kami pala yun.
Sulit, sulit.
Got me falling for you. Sidestep, day trip, pulling me both ways like a cyclone. I think it might happen any day. What do I know?
Good morning!
Good morning!
Hello, welcome.
Dito na kami ngayon sa aming van. Van ni Madam Feliz.
Hello, kakabili ko lang. Kaka-purchase ko lang sa Mercedes. Tapos, na-release na agad siya.
Ay,
Right in time before kami magpunta dito. You know, my connections. Ano ka? May basher ako.
May buffer sa gilid.
But your parents came in the cul-de-sac, leaned back in a leather-clad seat, darker spirits in your...
So dito tayo. O, pamila na tayo ng... Ito yung mga magnet nila. Thank you. Itong ticket, it's 12 euros each. Yung entrance. Yan.
Imagine this is Cappadocia. There is magma, and to the surface there is some connections. But in the top, it's not volcanic mountains. It's very conical volcanic hills in every part of Cappadocia, and they start to erupt. So it's more like it's not like a volcanic explosion. It's more like imagine you're boiling the milk, and the cream starts to goes up and falls over the top, right? Same principle. Lava comes out, spreads out, and ash goes to the.
Yung mga OOTD namin, bigla kami naging Power Rangers. Red Ranger, Blue Ranger, Black Rangers, and Green Ranger.
I'm for you. Sidestep, day trip, pulling me both ways like a cyclone. I think it might happen any
Ayan yung
day. What
parang
do I know?
mushroom
I don't have your
formations.
way. Got me for you, falling for you. Falling for you.
Ang gaganda ng mga rock formations. Medyo inulan lang tayo, pero syempre tuloy pa rin ang ating. Careful
You said things were different. What made you change it up? How could I believe what you're showing me?
Smile.
Call me up, said I was dangerous. Toss up, lost the trust. How could I miss it? You're not the man you used to be. Better like that. Black force at the score. What are we here for? Heart closed, tongue tied. Can't have these feelings that I got me falling hard like.
Yung paganon o yung paganon?
Ay, maganda yung hindi yan, yung
Yung
pagganyan,
paganto?
oo.
Thank you! Bye-bye!
Kanina, nagkakahiyan sila.
One happy. Oo.
Hello, welcome. Here you are, please. Hello, gentlemen. How are you? Oh, so cool. Here you are, please. Hello, welcome. Bu kişi dört adamımız var. Onları öbür tarafa alayım. Have three section here for Cappadocia Delight. The cosmetic oil for beauty, for hair care and skin care, and gift shop. Pistachio and almond. This one is Cappadocia Historical Coffee. And a tea
That's tea. Oh my God.
full of vitamin.
Yes. Cheers! Cheers! Cheers!
So
Cheers!
maybe I make cocktail. 100% sin azúcar. Usamos exclusivo.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Welcome. If you like, we have in Spain big. It's a no almendra. No. La simia.
Have one. Hindi mo bet.
Do you want one
Four.
coffee?
I got two.
What?
Yeah.
If you
Dito tayo sa underground. Ayan yung 6. That's okay. It's with...
Completely made by chisel and hammer. That's how they made them. It was all solid once, and they just carve it out. It's a stable for animals like sheep, goats, cows. This filled with like sand and rubbles, and some earth in there. But if
Tayo papasok.
so, this underground steel was discovered in 1972. You can isolate it. And once it is isolated, inside they start crushing them, and all the juice, there is no problem with oxygen because of the smoke. So, so my friends, we are coming down.
Handahan tayong bumaba.
Right now, and you can pass through here, or you can see beside the students. So they just roll.
Paano? Ganito siya kanaro. Kailangan mong mag-ano. Tara. Taro tayo na kayo.
Sidestep, daydream, running both ways like a cyclone. I think it might happen any day, but I know I don't have your way. Got me falling for you. Tell me, do you love hardcore love? Just to wait one day on a tightrope. My mind spinning days way, but I know I
Tayo.
Welcome to our country, welcome to Cappadocia, welcome to Latin ceramic. First firing comes like a white paper, we call this part is biscuit. Real fire on it, look at this, nothing will be happen to colors, nothing will be happen to item, it's gonna stay on same color.
Thank you.
Did you wish anything? And the other one is silk. Starting from the first circle and it will be going. Now, okay, I can tell you this is Hittite wine liquor. And second one, they put on the shoulder this kind of serving systems.
Burada da var bizim arkadaşlar.
What are you gonna make for us?
Gusto ko yung pink. I like the pink one.
We are making something
Thank
like
you.
this. Who's your dad? I was thinking he's your brother.
So this is the restaurant we will be eating. It's a buffet. So we are hungry na. Let's see what's inside. It's around parang 50 euros daw. Yung buffet. Who's hungry? Who's hungry? I'm hungry. Are you hungry also? Super. Ay, nice. So dito kami sa buffet. Ayan.
45.
Yeah. Kuya, what do you want? Try this, oh. Ay, kuya, masarap din to. So, here's my food. Yeah. Ah, So, ayan yung mga pa-desserts dito. Ano try ko? I don't know what to try. Brownies. Ito tayo. Dito tayo sa shore natin. So, ayan. So, iba't ibang cakes. So, ito ang Goremi Open Air Museum. So, malaki siya. Hindi na kami pumunta kasi ang entrance ay 20 euro per person. At maulan din. So, dito lang kami. Tatambay muna dito.
That's ceramic?
No, these are steel.
Ah,
The other part are ceramic.
how much? Store. Lalaro ng ano, ganda-gandahan. So, here. Ito. Ayan. What else?
We have scarf also.
Nabudol na ako ni Kuya.
There were 6 scarf. From
Scarf.
Silk, no?
yes.
Silk.
They all silk
May
with the
pang-
balloon with the
Here.
Pantulog.
300 lira.
Magkano yung convert mo?
6 euro.
6?
Yes. Oh, many different.
4, 5. So hot.
Yeah, so hot. Money always hot.
Oh, zero. Not yet.
Ang ganda ng view. Nga kami pumasok. So, dito tingin-tingin kami ng mga budol-budol, ganon. Ako lang ata ang nabudol. So, ayan siya. Ito yung mga... So, dito kami pumasok dahil may... What we have here? Free wifi. Pero nag-order kami. How's your Turkish ice cream experience? Oh, these are the Pigeon Valley. Here is the castle. So I am with Jiro right now because they don't want to go down. I'll take picture of you. No, we cannot nga daw. So here is Jiro. Looking for the castle. Jiro, say hi to the vlog.
Welcome.
Here, Jiro, I'll take picture of you. Jiro. There are also... It's land of the beautiful horses. Cappadocia. So, natapos na yung tour namin. So, pinapabalik na daw kami sa hotel, di ba? How was it?
That looks like Brazil.
It was so interesting.
Yeah. At solo namin itong
Dito naman kami. Ayan, ganyan lang.
wala pinakita.
Tomorrow again, another color naman yung
Correct.
i-rent na. Kasi boring pag everyday.
Ibang isang kulay. Ay, napakain pala sila.
May market dun later.
Ah, there. It's here. Hi! Pampar time ng mga momshies.
Next day.
Thank you for the breakfast. So this is our breakfast. There. Aming car.
Iba naman. Araw-araw iba. Kasi kahapon beach. Ayoko na ng beach. Red naman. And then yung mga maming tagabayad. Work.
Yan. Papunta na kami sa
Shoutout kay Kuya.
pottery. Gagawa kami ng mga palayok. Kasi yun ang magiging business namin soon. So, we are here sa pottery. Good morning!
Morning, welcome again.
Good morning.
So, these are their... Nice. What, Jiro? Like that? Nice. Show yours. Wow.
Should have ended it and cut you off. Don't want to slip and fall in love, but we connect. Like, why is it like this? I so badly want to say.
Today it says love like a work of art. So ito yung kanilang may pa-secret room sila collections. Ay, nice to oh. Maganda.
Ito ang ginawa, di ba, Ivan?
Ay, ceramic oh.
And Hocus Pocus.
Ah! Nice!
That's with blue, moon something.
Phosphor.
Phosphor.
Yes.
Ah, glow in the dark. Ayan.
All handmade.
Ah, also the
Yeah, ayun nga. The blue, ano yun?
hot air balloon.
Yes, right. Balloon.
Ay. Tine. Okay. And so, ganito lang. Tapos, kayod na lang magbalik. Yaman-yamanin laro.
More.
Card or cash? Card.
So, tapos na po kami sa pottery. Ayan. Antay lang kami daw ng 24 hours para matuyo siya. Akala namin, nila, lulutuin.
Ito po ngayon.
Naglalako po siya ng mga...
Bile! Pottery kayo dyan. Palayo kayo dyan. Maluga ako.
Hi! Puntahan namin yung hanging bridge doon. Yung mga ginawa naming pot. Thank you Lord, umayon po yung magandang weather. Maaraw na. Another pusa. Thank you po for the sun. Kuya, gilid lang. Baka biglang may bike. Ayan yung bridge. So, ito yung kanyang surroundings. There's the corn. Corn. Try it.
Tastes good.
Yan to add. Yan. Ang daming mga souvenir. Oh, ang daming mga hot air balloon. At dito kami sa Selve Restaurant. Dito nagpa-reserve ang ating madam.
Yes, eat all the time.
Ayun oh, sabi niya oh. Oh.
Thank you.
Okay.
Ayan ang at kanilang complimentary.
Oh, mommy, this roasted tomato. Garlic, tingnan. Look. Size of the combos.
Okay. Itaas mo yung yung nileta. So they will say the grilled chicken, grilled chicken, grilled lamb, and grilled doner. Grilled doner.
Nice.
So we're done with our lunch. So maglalakad-lakad kami dito. Busog ba? Nabusog, Jiro?
And then ATV.
Nabusog? Ibenta niyo yung mga paso natin dito. I-display mo. So, ito yung Cognac ceramic. Ito yung old town nito. Look. Turkish coffee and sand. That's the ice cream. Turkish coffee man doon. Ito may... Ayan. Dito sa Avanos, marami or sikat yung mga ceramic. Mga pottery. Ayan. So, ito yung kanilang mga works dito. Paggawa ng...
It's wood.
Go!
Go down na, go down. Oh, sige. Ako taganoin mo.
Na-ouchie?
I'm at inside.
Like the tree of life.
That's bad.
Stray cats dito. Daming ducks. Uy, maululunod sila. Ito yung papunta sa windmill dito sa Avanos. Windmill. So cute. Ito po ang ATV. Yes. Ayan.
Ski.
Okay. Sino kayo dyan? Okay, the first two. Atras issues yung mga anak natin. Yan sa unahan na lang. Ayan. Vamos, let's go. Tananan. Aray, kuya. Kuya. Kuya ko sinasok mo.
Wala akong maghawak.
Kuya, kung taga-video ka, hawak mo. Marco, say hi. Okay, so let's go. Let's go.
Staring out the window, reaching for a North Star, waiting just to wake up from this nightmare where you could be right back in my arms, dancing to the limbo, stuck here in the middle. You tell me that it's simple, but I could paint 1,000 different pictures of what is wrong. But if we turn the clock back,
The passengers.
Tuwang-tuwa si Jiro.
Ito din.
Again. Sabi ni Jiro.
Ito, wala di reklamo. Wala akong narinig na reklamo eh.
Sabi ko nga, ayaw ko eh.
Huwag sa lubak. Huwag sa tubig. Oh, Jiro. How's the experience with me?
So, ito. Ayun yung ATV namin sa baba. Iniwan muna. Pwede kami lakad-lakad dito. Ayan. Asa si Kyle? Thank you. You. Corn. One corn. At inulan na naman tayo po. Pero at least, medyo magapos na tayo. So, break time muna. Later, kaya siya pinalabas.
Welcome, Treasury. Thanks, Marco.
Yeah, very jiggy. Parang ayaw magpainom. Marco! Uy! Ano the ATV? How was it? How's your experience?
Good.
You had fun?
Yes, very much.
Yeah. Hindi pa rin po nabibenta. Bilihan po kayo.
100 euro
Si
na lang.
sale na lang po.
500 na yun. Ay, ito talaga ang gusto ko, Marco.
Ito ang Guremi. Guremi? Goreme.
Doremi.
Ano pa? Ulit.
I can live, I can fly. Doremi.
Doremi.
I can
Goreme.
reach the heavens above.
Ayun na, si Donna Cruz.
Oh, go. Sabihin mo, Mikey.
I can die. Parang iba. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ayan, dito tayo sa Goremi. So, eto na tayo sa Goremi. Ang daming mga stores dito.
Ulit lang sa ilalim. We're gonna ret.
So, maraming mga carpets dito. Saan tayo? Ayan. Tignan nyo naman ang mga view. Ang ganda. Ayan na, umaraw na naman po. Thank you, Lord.
Balik ulit tayo.
Tara na. So, ganito rin yung mga hotel dito. So, ayan yung mga kinoconstruct pa sila dito. Yung mga restaurants. So, yung mga construction going on. Good morning! Save the best for last, ika nga. So, pumunta kami sa
Today we're heading
hot
to
air balloon. Kita namin.
Communion.
Ayan.
Ano na?
So, ayan yung mga hot air balloons. Pero sabi cancel daw dahil sa weather.
Senin sağındaki arabanın hemen arkasındayım.
Yun o, babalik na kami.
Aynen.
Ayun yung sa balon nila, nasa likod. Wala, hindi po tuloy. By rainbows. Yan, balik na kami sa hotel. Last day na pa naman namin ngayon. Flight na going back tomorrow. O, di, mamayang gabi. Ayun. Wala naman rin silang sunset na hot air balloon. So, sunrise. Next time na lang ulit. Okay. Yeah, it's not on our decision. Yeah. Yeah, it says on the airport. It's an advisory from the airport. So, ayun, pabalik po kami at i-enjoy lang namin ang
breakfast.
So, akit muna po kami ulit. Dahil hindi kami natuloy sa hot air balloon, buti na lang dito sa aming pinagstayan ay may, ayan o, pa-hot air balloon. Ayan lang, ayan na lang, o, ayan.
Update nyo lang, dito na kami sa hot air balloon. Ang hangin, gang! Ang hangin! Yung buhok! Wait, lipat tayo sa ibang hot air. Ito naman yung iba. Ayan!
That's the white cap, that's the white cap, that's the white cap. That's the other one. Yeah, no, that's the white cap. Yeah, I'm in the middle. Yeah, the middle.
Let's go. Yes. On our way back to reality.
You've been on my mind lately. I tell you all the time.